Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Asif and she's Ambika from Colombia. She's having some back pain since a very long time. I'm going to do her entire spine adjustment and she will see how she will feel after the adjustment, right? Come on. Since how long you have this pain?
Many years.
Many years.
Yeah, like maybe already 8 years.
8 years.
Huh.
You taking any treatment?
I took before and I was doing yoga.
You are doing yoga.
But when I stopped yoga, this happens. I was very busy last month, so that's why I think it was increasing.
But when you do yoga, it remains fine.
Yeah.
There's a lot of swelling here at the disc area.
Yeah.
This is hurting.
Yeah.
This
Yeah.
this is L5 S1, which is bothering you. How about this? At any place,
Yeah, there.
this.
There. Huh?
This. Alright.
There.
This also.
Yes.
This also.
I
A
believe.
bit low.
Yeah,
This.
there.
This. How about these 2 points?
Yeah, this mostly.
This is more.
Yeah.
Alright. A bit. Can we just lose this? This is our tendon.
Yeah.
Alright, just totally relax your body. Breathe in, breathe out. Yeah, breathe in, breathe out. Great. Breathe in, breathe out.
Wow.
Just relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Yes. Just relax your body. Relax, total relax. Just take a side turn to my side. Face this side. Just come to my side. Yeah. Straight your leg. One second, one second. Just relax your back. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay? Yeah, breathe in. Very good. Breathe in. Breathe out.
Wow. Very nice.
Good. And on this side. Straight your leg. One second, one second. Just let me do the position. Just breathe in. Breathe out.
Wow.
Slide on straight. My side. Bit more to my side. Okay, nice. This is hurting. This
Yeah.
point.
Yeah.
Check your neck. How are you feeling?
Much better.
Better?
हाँ.
Just move your back. How's it?
Very good.
Very good.
हाँ. Thank you so much.
Thank you everyone for watching my video. Please subscribe for the new videos. Thank you.